It's not news that over the last few years, artificial intelligence, AI, has revolutionized our way of using technological tools. Whether by creating a playlist with songs that perfectly fit our musical taste, or through navigation systems. But how is NASA using artificial intelligence and machine learning to explore the universe and unlock the secrets of our cosmos? In popular culture, space and artificial intelligence have almost always gone hand in hand. The interplanetary journeys of cinema and literature are full of humanoids, robots, and intelligent machines. The reality is that it's not until very recently that space missions began to incorporate artificial intelligence technologies. In the past, the main premise of space exploration was to keep it as simple as possible and pass the complexity to ground systems to reduce risk. However, when it comes to missions far from Earth, where remote-controlled operations are not possible due to signal propagation delays, the need arises for space devices to make their own decisions. With time, the use of artificial intelligence had an unprecedented boom. Now the trend is that more intelligent systems are incorporated into a wide variety of applications. For this reason, interplanetary missions and those outside our solar system will surely be carried out by intelligent machines. Artificial intelligence will allow the automation of systems and the coordination of mission operations to operate spacecraft with greater safety and reliability. It will also allow us to go, even virtually, where no one has gone before. By watching this video, you will discover how AI is being used to make groundbreaking discoveries and uncover the mysteries of the universe. Do you ever wonder what's beyond our planet Earth? The universe is vast and mysterious, and scientists have been exploring it for centuries. Bound with the advancement of technology and artificial intelligence, the possibilities of discovering new worlds and unlocking the secrets of the universe have never been more promising. Space exploration and research missions by NASA and other agencies already apply artificial intelligence. The analysis of new craters on the surface of Mars and an AI that searches through telescope images to find exoplanets are just a few examples of advancements in space exploration using artificial intelligence. In short, AI is changing the game, and NASA is at the forefront of this revolutionary technology. In this video, we'll take a look at how NASA is using AI and also see how it's being used to explore space and new planets. Rovers on Mars. Let's start with the most famous example of AI in space science, the Mars rover. NASA sent several rovers to explore the Red Planet, and each of them relies on navigation systems that use AI to prevent them from crashing into obstacles, falling into holes, and ending up trapped. For your information, a signal from NASA controllers takes different times to reach its destination. The operation can last a few minutes when the two planets are close, or up to 24 minutes at the furthest point of their orbits. In both cases, it takes a long time for an answer to come out of Earth and prevent an accident. In this sense, the presence of AI gives a certain level of autonomy to the rover and acts more quickly, preventing accidents that would interrupt research. The success of this technology can be seen in the most recent Mars rover, Perseverance, a prime example of AI in action. Perseverance uses a system called AutoNav that allows it to navigate autonomously without the need for human intervention. This means that the rover can explore the Martian landscape more efficiently and cover more ground in less time. AI also helps the rover to identify rocks and other objects that may be of scientific interest, allowing it to collect data that would otherwise be missed. Medicine in space. Now let's move on to another area where AI is making a significant impact: medicine in space. NASA is exploring the use of AI to help astronauts stay healthy during long-duration space missions. One of the major challenges of spaceflight is the effect of microgravity on the human body. Long-term exposure to microgravity can cause a range of health problems, including bone loss, muscle atrophy, and cardiovascular changes. These changes can also affect the immune system, making astronauts more susceptible to infections and illnesses. To address these challenges, NASA is using AI to develop personalized healthcare plans for astronauts. By analyzing data from wearable sensors and other health monitoring devices, AI algorithms can identify early warning signs of health problems and provide tailored recommendations for exercise, nutrition, and medication. Searching for planets. In recent years, artificial intelligence has been used by astronomy to explore the vastness of space, helping to detect gravitational lensing or even mapping lunar craters. The galaxy is estimated to have over 100 billion stars, with around 40 billion having the potential to support life. But how do you discover new planets within this vast expanse of space? This is where NASA is using AI to search for planets outside of our solar system, known as exoplanets. Exoplanets are planets that orbit stars outside of our solar system and could potentially harbor life. AI has helped to address this problem by enabling more efficient and accurate planet searches. AI algorithms can analyze large datasets of stellar light curves and identify subtle patterns that may indicate the presence of exoplanets. These algorithms can also help filter out false positives, reducing the time and resources required for follow-up observations. A robotic astronaut. Now here's a mind-blowing idea: a robotic astronaut. NASA's developing a new generation of robots that could take on the role of human astronauts in space. Yes, you heard that right. Robots that could carry out tasks normally performed by human astronauts, such as maintenance work, scientific experiments, and even spacewalks. To achieve this goal, NASA's using AI to develop robots that can operate autonomously in space. These robots will need to be able to navigate complex environments, avoid obstacles, and carry out tasks with precision and accuracy. One example of such a robot is the Robonaut, a humanoid robot designed to work alongside human astronauts on the International Space Station, ISS. The Robonaut is equipped with advanced sensors and AI algorithms that allow it to adapt to changing environments and perform complex tasks that would be unsafe for humans. And as NASA continues to develop these robots, we may one day see a new era of space exploration, where robots and humans work together to push the boundaries of our understanding of the universe. Navigation on the Moon. Finally, let's talk about navigation on the Moon. Have you ever stopped to think about how difficult it must be to navigate on the Moon? Unlike Earth, the Moon has no magnetic field, making traditional navigation methods like compasses and GPS useless. To solve this challenge, the NASA Frontier Development Laboratory is now working to develop a new navigation system on the Moon. They're using AI to develop a new type of navigation system that uses machine learning to recognize features on the Moon's surface. The system will analyze images of the Moon's surface taken by lunar rovers and other spacecraft to identify unique features like craters, boulders, and other landmarks. Once these features are identified, the AI system will be able to use them as a reference point for navigation. This will allow spacecraft and rovers to navigate the Moon more accurately. Now let's see how AI is being used to explore space and new planets. Scientists already have a glimpse of how artificial intelligence will help them explore the galaxy in the future. With a growing number of exoplanets discovered, developing new tools and technologies to identify and analyze these distant worlds is becoming increasingly important. For many years, the transit method has been used to uncover most of exoplanets. This technique involves monitoring the brightness of a star and looking for tiny dips in its light caused by a planet passing in front of it. However, this method can be time-consuming and often requires a significant amount of data to be analyzed. Kepler and AI. Kepler is the name of a telescope that operated in Earth's orbit from 2009 to 2018. Its function was to scour distant stars in search of potential exoplanets. As the volume of information generated by Kepler was enormous, the use of artificial intelligence turned out to be a powerful tool in the candidate filtering process. The AI action here is to analyze this data to identify the origin of the oscillations in the light intensity of distant stars. In this way, the technology can differentiate whether they're caused by some type of phenomenon other than the transit of an exoplanet. The success of the technique yielded the confirmation of 50 new planets in the original data volume of the Kepler mission. To arrive at this result, the scientists used a collection of previously analyzed Kepler images containing both real planets and false positives. Over time, AI developed the ability to separate one result from another and is now able to perform more efficient analyses in future missions. So, what are researchers doing to make the process more efficient? A recent study by researchers at the University of Georgia reveals that AI can significantly improve the speed and accuracy of exoplanet detection. The transit method has a lot of challenges in detecting exoplanets at their formation stage due to their distance and thick surrounding disks of gas and dust. With the help of AI, scientists can analyze large amounts of data more quickly and accurately, allowing them to identify potential exoplanets that might have been missed using traditional methods. Machine learning algorithms can learn to recognize patterns in the data, enabling them to distinguish between real exoplanet signals and noise more effectively. The study's lead author, Jason Terry, said, "One of the novel things about this is analyzing environments where planets are still forming. Machine learning has rarely been applied to the type of data we're using before, specifically for looking at systems that are still actively forming planets." Use of artificial intelligence applied to image recognition to discover exoplanets. Another study by a team of astronomers from the University of Bern, UNIBE, the University of Geneva, UNIGE, and the NCCR Planet S Switzerland, in collaboration with the company Disitech, was able to discover exoplanets that were impossible to detect by using artificial intelligence applied to image recognition. They argued that detecting exoplanets in the planetary system could be impossible due to the interactions between planets. And for this reason, using artificial intelligence applied to image recognition can help detect these exoplanets. To prove their findings, Adrian Lilu, a researcher in the Department of Astronomy at the UNIGE Faculty of Science and the NCCR Planet S, revealed that his team had discovered two exoplanets, Kepler 1705b and Kepler 1705c, that previous techniques had completely missed. All this shows that AI has the potential to revolutionize the way we explore space and discover new planets. And as technology continues to advance, it's exciting to think about the new discoveries that AI will enable us to make in the field of astronomy. In summary, as investment in new technologies and AI increases, the potential to expand the exploration of our solar system grows. You can't deny that artificial intelligence has revolutionized the way we explore space and has helped scientists make significant discoveries. And as technology advances, we can expect AI to play an even more significant role in our understanding of the universe and the search for extraterrestrial life. Who knows? Maybe we could soon be living among the stars rather than admiring them. Now, to wrap up, do you think AI will be able to help in the search for extraterrestrial life? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.